Hi guys, so today we're going to be trying out the Bime Beauty Eyebrow Lamination Kit. So let's take a look. So here we have everything. I've got a little brush in there, a little comb, just so many little tools to use. And you can see all of this. So we've got the brow glue fixing gel, so brow lift, step 1, step 2 is the brow set, step 3 keratin, and then relax. So first you're going to start with your relax. You're going to put this all right under the brow and above the brow and in here. So we're going to start with this and put this all around on the skin that we don't want to touch with the lift. Okay, so pro tip, when you're trying to get the relax out, tilt it this way rather than this way. Then once you tilt it, you gotta push it all the way in. Don't need much, this is probably too much, but so I'm gonna use this little guy, just put a little bit on it, and just put it all around the area that I don't, I wanna avoid with the lift. Just enough to protect my skin barrier. Okay, so next step we're going to go in with the brow glue fixing gel, and you're going to kind of just put your brows how you want them to set. Okay, so you put this on and then you go in with a spoolie. You can either use one of these guys with the kit, or even sometimes these tend to work better. These actually work really well to really grab those hairs and make them like separate and really get that lip. So I prefer this spoolie, but you could use either one. So it comes like in a brush and you're just gonna apply it right on the hairs. Alright, so I'm gonna apply this right on the hairs. You don't necessarily want to brush them up, you kind of want to brush them at an angle this way. So mine are to the point where I like them. I kind of brush up at an angle, and then at the very top I do go through and kind of push down any stray hairs that might have been like a little too funky. So the next step is the brow lift. Now with this you do want to avoid any skin contact, so you want to make sure you're just putting this on the hairs. Leave it on for about 3 minutes if you have sparse thin brows like me, or 4 to 5 if you've got like thicker, coarser hair. Okay, so I did pump the lift right onto the cap, just to avoid putting it on my hand, and I like to kind of have more control about how much I'm putting on the brush, just so it's not like overkill. You just want to put it on the hair. Okay, so once my brows were set, I did go ahead and put the saran wrap on just to hold it in place where I want it. And now I do have my timer set on my watch. We have 1 minute left. Okay, so now it is time for removing the lift. It's been 3 minutes. So the next step is to set. Again, this will stay on for 3 minutes. And avoid contact with your skin. They already look so good. Set your timer again for 3 more minutes. Alright, so I did go in, I made sure I got all the lotion off my brows. You do not want to leave any of it on because it will overprocess and it could cause damage to your brows. This is your aftercare, the keratin. And this is something you're going to want to use on your brows every day post-treatment. It just kind of helps them keep them healthy. And now you have laminated brows. So easy.